Hey, what's up YouTube? So welcome back, and for today's video we are going to the San Bernardino slash Pomona bird mart, and yeah, it's not reptiles this time, but hopefully you guys enjoy, so keep watching. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be going to the Pomona slash San Bernardino bird show or bird mart, but this year they moved it to San Bernardino. It's usually in Pomona, but it's in San Bernardino this year. And yeah, we're gonna go to it today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and after this you're gonna see, like, well, actually we're back home right now, so it's a pre-recording, but you're gonna see after this clip, you're gonna see a montage clip of what we saw. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that montage of all the birds and everything that we saw at the bird show. If you guys want to see more bird show stuff, that's what we are doing, other than, or we work with other than reptiles. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this, something different for my bird people out there. If you're not into birds, I guess it's not for you, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it, this montage of it. But like always guys, make sure you guys are if you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below, share us, and like always guys, keep it far out.